Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a solid granny square pattern for beginners. For this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm aluminum crochet hook size, and I am using a 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring of chain like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 to start. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring of chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here. Make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the corner. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into this ring. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and then chain 2 for the corner. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Again make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the corner. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. 1, 2, 3. Here is our third chain. Make a slip stitch into this third chain. And our first round is completed. Now for the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here also. Then into the double crochet stitch after chain 3, make 1 double crochet. Then into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. And now we have chain 2 space for our corner. In this chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, now into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 2, make double crochet, then into the second one make 1 double crochet, and then into the third one make 1 double crochet. Now we have chain 2 space for our corner again. In this chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. Now make double crochet into the double crochet stitch after chain 2, then a double crochet into the next stitch and then into the third stitch. And we have chain 2 space again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. Repeat this process till the end for the fourth corner. So I have made all stitches for the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain, and our second round is also completed. Now we would make third round. Make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and make a double crochet stitch into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Then make a double crochet into the second next stitch, then double crochet in all these next 3 stitches, and we have chain 2 space for our corner again. In this chain 2 space, make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So make 1 double crochet in every stitch, and for the corner chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet till the end. Make another round with the same process. So I have completed third and fourth round with the same pattern, and you can increase this pattern with the same method for the corners and other stitches, and you can make it as wide and long as you want. You can use it in different crochet projects, like you can make bags, tops, and other different crochet projects. If you like it, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.